Hello student, today we are discuss about the beat, phenomena of beat. When two sound waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequency travel along the same path or same direction, then due to superposition of these two waves, it forms the beat. When two sound waves having same amplitude, then after superposition of these two waves, when it travels along the same direction but having different frequency, then due to the superposition of these two waves, it forms the beat. Then maximum intensity of sound, it is called as waxing, and minimum intensity of sound, maximum intensity of sound, maximum intensity of sound is called as waxing, and minimum intensity of sound, minimum intensity of sound minimum intensity of sound, it is called as varying. When these two sound waves having same amplitude, when two sound waves having same amplitude but having slightly different frequency, then these two waves form beat. After their superposition of these two waves, when two waves travel along the same path, having same amplitude but slightly different frequency, then superposition of these two waves, it forms the beat, and maximum intensity of sound is called as waxing, and minimum intensity of sound, it is called as varying. One waxing and one varying, it forms beat, one beat, it forms the beat. Then number of beat heard per second, number of beat heard per second is called as beat frequency. Number of beat heard per second, then it is called as, we can call that this is beat frequency. Beat frequency means number of beat heard per second, then it is called as beat frequency. And beat consists of one waxing and one varying. Maximum intensity of sound, it is called as waxing. Minimum intensity, it is called as varying. ज्यावेळेस मॅक्सिमम इंटेन्सिटी असते त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण वॅक्सिंग, आणि मिनिमम इंटेन्सिटी असेल त्याला काय म्हणतो वॅनिंग. एक वॅक्सिंग आणि एक वॅनिंग म्हणून काय तयार होते, एक बीट. नंबर ऑफ बीट हर्ड पर सेकंड, then that is called as beat frequency. We can call that beat frequency. Beat frequency. Due to superposition of the two sound waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequency, then it forms, due to superposition of these two waves, it forms beat. Then after that we have to discuss about the derivation of bit, analytical treatment of bit. For that purpose, we have to consider the two sound waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequency. Slightly different frequency. Let us consider the two sound waves. Consider two sound waves, that is having displacement y1 a sine 2 pi in bracket n1t minus x divided by lambda 1. Say this equation number 1. Consider the first wave having displacement y1, having amplitude a, having frequency n1 time t, then displacement x, lambda 1 is the wavelength. Consider first sound wave, then consider second sound wave, that is a sine 2 pi in bracket n1 n2t minus x divided by lambda 2. Say this equation number 2. Say this equation number 2. In this equation also, y2 represent displacement, a represent amplitude, and n2 represent frequency, t time the radius displacement, lambda 2 is the wavelength. But for simplicity, we have to consider that the listener at the position x is equal to 0. Therefore, equation become that is y1 is equal to a sine 2 pi n1 t. Say this equation number 3, and y2 is equal to a sine 2 pi n2 t. Equation 4. Let us consider these two waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequency when superimposed on each other or when they travel along the same path. Then due to superposition of these two waves, then according to superposition principle, we get equation y is equal to y1 plus y2. Say this equation number 5. Say this equation number 5. Due to superposition of these two waves, then equation become y is equal to y1 plus y2. Put this value, put equation 3 and 4 in 5. In 5 we get here equation y is equal to a sine 2 pi n1t plus a sine 2 pi n2t. Say this equation number 6. Then by using formula, here by using formula, that is sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 cos of C minus D divided by 2. By using this formula for this equation, we get here C is 2 pi n1 and D is 2 pi n2. Therefore, by using this formula, equation become 2a sin 2 pi n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into t cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. But here this term 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus 2 is a, but here consider a is equal to 2a cos of y is equal to 2 sin 2a sin 2 pi n1 plus n2 divided by 2 cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. Then here put a is equal to 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. That is, put this term here instead of this 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2. Then equation become y is equal to a sin 2 pi n1 plus n2 divided by 2 into t, where a is resultant amplitude. Where a is the resultant of amplitude of progressive wave. Then n1 plus n2, these are the two frequency. When then resultant frequency is given by therefore equation can be written as here equation can be written is here a represent the resultant amplitude, therefore y is equal to a sin 2 pi n t. Since n is the resultant frequency, n1 plus n2 divided by resultant frequency. So this equation, now this is the resultant amplitude and this is the resultant frequency having amplitude A and having resultant frequency N. Then resultant wave equation. Then after that we have to discuss about the cases when maximum intensity sound is maximum, then we can call that maximum. For that purpose we have to consider the equation y is equal to 2a cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2. Case first is case first. When intensity of sound is maximum, then we can call this waxing. Maximum intensity of sound is called as waxing. Therefore, we can discuss about the condition of waxing here. For that purpose, we have to consider resultant amplitude equation, that is A is equal to 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. Then, but when this resultant amplitude is maximum, then we have to consider A is equal to plus or minus 2A. Therefore, by putting this equation plus or minus 2A cos of, here 2A cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. Here 2A get cancelled. Therefore, we can get here 1 cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t. Then value of cos is 1 when its values are 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. Then its value is 1. Value of cos is 1. Cos of 1 is value become plus or minus 1. Its value is 1 for the condition, that is when its values are cos of, its values are 0, pi, 2 pi and 3 pi. Then its value become 1. Then the value of t is equal to, we can get here 0 for first value. Then for next value it's 1 by n1 minus n2. 1 by n1 minus n2 and 2 divided by n1 minus n2. Then 3 divided by n1 minus n2. Here for first value is 0. Then after that 2 get cancel, pi get cancel. Then next value is t is equal to 2 divided by this 2 goes in upper side. Therefore, we can get here for 2 pi n1 minus n2 divided by 2 into t is equal to pi. Then pi get cancel, 2 get cancel. Then t is equal to 1 divided by n1 minus n2. Next it becomes 2 divided by n1 minus n2. For next 3 pi it becomes 3 n1 minus n2. The distance between two successive is 2 minus 1, that is time interval get n1 minus n2. T is equal to that is time period is equal to, we can get T is equal to 1 divided by N1 minus N2, and it is the reciprocal of frequency, therefore we can get here frequency N1 minus, that is bit frequency N1 minus N2. The distance between two successive minima, that is 2 minus 1 divided by N1 minus N2, 1 minus 0, 1 divided by N1 minus N2, 3 minus 2, 1 divided by N1 minus N2. This is time period and this is bit frequency. Then next condition is fan intensity of sound is minimum. Fan intensity of sound is minimum. Then we can call that is varying. We can call that varying. Then equation for that condition we have to take here amplitude is 0. Amplitude is here is taken as 0. Then equation can be given as here by putting value of A is equal to, here by putting value of A is equal to 0, then we get 2A cos of 2 pi, 2A cos of 2 pi N1 minus N2 divided by 2 into T. Therefore here fan value of that is 2A cos 2 pi, then value it become cos of 2 pi is given as, that is pi by 2 cos of 2 pi N1 minus N2 divided by 2 into 2. This term again 0. Its value become pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. This 2A goes toward that side, then it becomes 0. Then cos of 2 pi N1 minus N2 divided by 2 into pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Then after that value of cos is, its value is at the here pi by 2, its value of cos is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2, its value is 0. For the condition is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. Then by calculating here equation, that is here cos of 2 pi N1 minus N2 divided by 2 into T is equal to 0. Then value of cos for this condition is 0. Then by calculating the value of frequency is, first value is 2 N1 minus N2, then 3 divided by 2 N1 minus N2 and 5 divided by 2 N1 minus here, because first value pi get cancelled, 2 get cancelled and remaining for first condition, that is 2 pi N1 minus N2 divided by 2 into T. Then for pi by 2 value pi get cancelled, 2 get cancelled and T is equal to, here we can get 1 divided by 2 n1 minus n2. Therefore, we get here continued values of time period. 1 divided by 2 n1 minus n2. 3 divided by 2 n1 minus n2. Then, by subtracting this equation, the distance between two successive this minima is, that is bit frequency or time period, we get here again, that is t is equal to 1 divided by 2 is 3 by 2 is, we get again n1 minus n2, and frequency we get n is equal to n1 minus n2, bit frequency and time period. These waxing or waning produce the alternatively, therefore sound goes up and down. Therefore, in figure we can show here, that is when it superimpose on each other, then consider these two waves. When superimpose on each other, then resultant wave is obtained like this. Here, resultant wave is this is the resultant wave format we can get here. When two waves having same amplitude but slightly different frequency, then this is the resultant wave form. Due to superposition of these two waves, we can get here the resultant wave. These two waves, then we can get, due to superposition of these two waves, we can get two resultant wave. Then after that we can discuss about the application of bit. Bits are used for the matching frequency, different frequency, application of bit. First application is, it is used for matching frequency. It is used for matching frequency. It is used for matching frequency by the artist. It is used for the matching frequency. Then second application is, it is used to determine the speed of aeroplane. Speed of aeroplane on the basis of radar. On on the basis of frequency of radar. When signals are sent, microwave signals are sent on the aeroplane at that time. When it is incident on the aeroplane, then after reflection, when it is issued by the aeroplane after reflection, when it is again goes toward the microwave signal due to receiving reflection and incident. Due to incident wave and reflection of these two waves, there is change in frequency, and therefore due to relative motion between source of sound and observer, we can call that Doppler effect. And due to superposition of this incident and reflected wave, due to incident and reflected wave, we can determine the speed of aeroplane on the basis of radar. Then also bits are used in case of Doppler sonography. Doppler sonography. It is used to determine the rate of flow of blood. Also, it is used to identify the circulation of the blood by using this Doppler sonography. Also, these bits are used by the traffic police to determine the speed of vehicle. If speed is exceed, then it is determined, and therefore it is used by the traffic police. Then also it is used in case of sonar, that is sound navigation and ranging. Bits are used in case of sound navigation and ranging for determine the submarines of gases and to determine microphones. Therefore, these are the applications of bit. Then also it is used to determine the unknown frequency of sound node. It is used to determine, the bits are used to determine the unknown frequency of sound node. These are the applications of bit. Then after that, when sound goes up and down, then sound has three characteristics. That is, first loudness. Second characteristic, loudness, pitch. Third, quality or timbre. Sound has three characteristics. Sound has three characteristics. When sound, its intensity increases or decreases, then it depends on the three characteristics: loudness, pitch, and quality or timbre. Then loudness means it represents the intensity of sound. And its range starts from 28 Pascal, largest range is 28 Pascal, to the 2.0 into 10⁻⁵ Pascal to the human ear. And this loudness is different at different frequency and form. It is used for measurement of this loudness. And sound is not exactly determined by the intensity, therefore its level is determined log to the base 10, that is I divided by I0. Then its beta represents sound level, then it is represented by log to the base 10 I divided by 0 intensity. I0 is the minimum intensity of sound, and I means intensity of sound. Then pitch represent is used to determine a high frequency note and low frequency note. Then it is used to distinguish. This is about the loudness. Then after that pitch. It is used to determine high frequency sound note, high frequency sound note, and low frequency sound note. It is used to determine high frequency sound note and low frequency sound note. Female voice is having high frequency than the male. Then after that, quality of timbre. It is used to distinguish between it enables to distinguish between the two sound of same pitch and same loudness. We can determine because it consists of different frequency. If sound produces pleasant effect, then we can call that musical sound, and if sound produces unpleasant effect, then we can call that noise. If it is used pleasant effect, then we can call pleasant effect where it is called as musical sound. And when it uses unpleasant effect, then it is called as noise. It consists of different frequencies, therefore it uses unpleasant effect, therefore we can call that noise. Then after that, this is about the sound. Then after that, musical, we can discuss about the musical instrument. There are 3 types of musical instrument. Sounds are based on the 3 octave frequency, that is sa re. All Indian music and Western music consist of 8 octave frequencies, that is sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. These are consist of octave frequency. Therefore, musical instrument are of 3 types. Musical instrument are of 3 types. Musical instrument. First, string type. Instrument. Second, wind instrument. And third, pulsation instrument. In string type instrument, there are 3 types again. That is, these instruments consist of 3 types. Plug string type, then bowing string type, and when this is plugged by the string or it is plugged by the fingers, then we can consider string type instrument. Sound is produced by the plucking of string, then we can we can call that instrument is string type instrument. Wind instrument, it consists of vibrations of air column. Then it consists of vibrating instrument by an air column. Then that type of instrument is called as wind instrument. Pulsation instrument, it consists of here the examples of string type is violin, guitar, and here examples are wind type is flute, harmonium. Then pulsation instrument is the instrument which are in which sound are produced by vibrations of sound in terms of stretched membranes. For example, tabla. These are the three types of instruments in which, in first case, sound is produced by plucking of string, and in wind instrument, this sound is produced by the vibrations of air column. And in case of third, vibrations are produced by in the terms of stretched membranes. That is, for example, tabla. This is about the sound and musical instrument.